We found the bug, but I don't know how to fix the bug yet. But in the GPU sync function, this sync function here, which updates an inclusive rectangle on the Pix 2048, it's wrong. And it is this call right here which is wrong. And it is probably this last parameter, the source offset in bytes, that is wrong. And possibly in WebGL, maybe it's not an offset in bytes, maybe it's an offset in pixels, or maybe I just need to get rid of it altogether. We'll figure that out in the next videos. In the Hardtex function section, we've made some changes to the pattern function here. Within the level pack pixel loop, within the generators function section, we have changed this to 1 equals 1. So this section always executes. Now that functionality has not changed because originally this was just 1, but I changed this to 1 equals 1 to make this more harmoniously pair with this expression here. So you can see that I wrote a bug here in video 408, and we're fixing that bug in this video 415. Because we use negatives for booleans, negatives are truthy, therefore we have to say if the boolean is greater than or equal to 1. And negatives being truthy doesn't quite make sense to me, but that's the behavior I got. That makes absolutely no sense to me. But that's the behavior I got. So we're going to make sure that explicitly the boolean is greater than or equal to 1 if it's in the truthy state, and then we'll do the tile setting code, right, where we set the pixel into the memory for the level pack. And then here's our subtexture push. We're going to carry over these variables that represent the 512 by 512 chunk of memory for the level pack. We're just going to carry them over to these synonymous variables so that when we call this function, everything lines up nicely, and we can verify that this function is absolutely being called correctly. And the problem is inside this function, not how we're calling the function. Here's some people on, oh, these are tags. These are people I'm stalking on YouTube, what we did previously, and our footnotes, and what we did in this video. So like, subscribe, and if you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist.